Welcome! In this video, I'll show how to make Chrome ask before allowing websites to create a 3D map of your surroundings. This is part of Chrome's augmented reality settings, and it gives you more control over your privacy and the kind of access websites have to your device sensors. Let's walk through the simple steps together. First, open the Chrome app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version to access the updated settings. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner and tap the three dots. That's the menu icon. From the menu, select Settings. This is where Chrome keeps all the options that let you customize your browsing experience. Scroll down until you find Site Settings and tap on it. Inside Site Settings, you'll see a list of permissions and privacy controls for things like location, camera, and notifications. What we're looking for is the option labeled Augmented Reality. Tap on that. Here, you'll see a toggle next to Augmented Reality. Turn it on. This setting tells Chrome to ask for your permission before any website tries to use your camera or sensors to create a 3D map of your surroundings.